Okay, this is my Fit ECCD seat, Alienation black rim, Welgo stock pedals, cranks from I don't know where, Fit sprocket, FAF tire, grips are standard, Fit blue, 27 pounds, 20.6-inch top tube, I think. Snafu detangler, and mostly ride dirt and park, mostly Burgess or Calabasas, and that's about it.